Inspired by
Motivation.
Inspired by
Motivation.
Inspired by
Motivation.
Welcome to Inspired by AQ, where we discuss motivation through life experiences. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to click on that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. Today is Thursday Tips number 17, and I will be talking about how to care. As always, I'll be going over 3 different steps and discuss them a little bit further in order to help you understand. So, number 1, speak your truth. If you're with somebody and you're not speaking your truth and you're not speaking how you feel, then you are doomed to fail. Come on now. Don't fabricate yourself. Don't be someone you're not. And don't say things you don't mean or don't agree with. Be yourself and speak your truth. Why speak lies? Why fabricate yourself? Why be false? Come on now. If you are who you say you are, then keep walking that step and talking that talk. Because if someone really wants to be around you, they'll like you for who you are. Number 2, honesty. You should always be your best and try your best to be honest. Don't lie. Say things how they should be and speak how you feel. Just as I just said, speak your truth. You need to be honest with other people and be honest with yourself. Don't lie to yourself and don't lie to people. No one likes a liar. If you were 100 with someone from the get-go and someone knew that beforehand, then you have nothing to worry about because they already know who you are and they already know what you said was true and honest. So be honest. Number 3, understand. Now, if you're willing to understand people and you're willing to understand others, such as seeing from their other shoes or seeing how they feel, seeing their differing opinions and seeing where they come from, then you're already going in the first step of showing that you care about someone else and you're already understanding them. Because no one likes to be misunderstood. People like to be understood. Because if you understand someone before you act, then with understanding and with putting their point to your point, then you're already a dangerous weapon. You can already have the power of conversation on your side, and that person says, wow, this person can understand me, and I can understand them in turn because they took the time out of their day to understand me. So, wow, look what understanding can bring. You have to be able to understand one another to get to that common goal or that common ground. Too many times we argue and bicker about differing opinions without understanding each other. And then where do we get? We get lost in the sauce and then lost in destruction. We are the makers of our destruction when that happens. So understand each other, because without understanding, what else is there? Chaos. So understand each other. I hope this video helps you with how to care, because that's the point of it. Care for one another, love one another, and be there for one another. You know, peace and unity. So take that and keep that in mind. Please be sure to like, comment, and also subscribe and share this video to someone who needs it. This is Inspired by AQ, motivation through life experiences. Stay tuned to a new episode of Friday Motivation tomorrow. As always, have a wonderful day and stay inspired and motivated. Love you. Peace. Which time?